Hey, I want to hear about what Danny did at the beach.
Yeah. That was nothing.
Oh.
Sure, nothing, Zuko,
Come
right?
on, Danny. You got no drawers, right? Yeah. Come on. Tell us about that girl.
What'd you do this summer, Sandy?
Oh, I spent most of it at the beach. I met a boy there.
Hauled your cookies all the way to the beach for some guy?
Well, he was sort of special.
Really, no such thing.
He was really romantic.
Come on.
You don't want to hear all the horny details.
Are you counting?
Are you?
Summer loving had me a blast.
Summer loving happened so fast.
I met a girl crazy for me.
Met a boy cute as can be.
Summer days drifting away to other summer nights.
Tell me more, did you get very far?
Tell me more, like does he have a car?
She swam by me, she got a cramp.
He ran by me, that was so damn.
I saved her life, she nearly drowned.
He showed off, splashing around.
Summer sun, something's begun, but other summer nights.
Tell me more, wasn't love at first sight.
Tell me more, did she put up a fight?
Took a bowling in the arcade.
We went strolling, drank lemonade.
We made out under the dark.
We stayed out till 10 o'clock.
Summer fling don't mean a thing, but other summer nights.
Tell me more, but you don't gotta brag.
Tell me more.
Because he sounds like a drag.
He got friendly, holding my hand.
Well, she got friendly down in the sand.
He was sweet, just under 10.
Well, she was good, you know what I mean.
Summer heat,
Boy and girl meet, but other summer nights.
Tell me more, how much don't it expect?
Tell me more, could she get me a friend?
It turned colder, that's where it ends.
So I told her we'd still be friends.